Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Bumble. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Bumble app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then this page will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.